Hello everybody, it's MB Trucker 68 here. To make a quick video on how to make your own almond milk. If you're interested in trying your own almond milk video, how to make your own almond milk. Now what do you need? A blender. Hold on, let me grab this. This everything you need. You're gonna need a blender, of course. The one I use right here doesn't matter, but that's what I use. Your blender. Of course, you need some almonds. This is just like raw almonds. You get salted or this is just raw almonds right here. And you need to soak it in purified water for at least 12 hours. This has actually been soaking longer than that, but at least 12 hours soaking in some purified water. You're gonna need something to put your milk in, glass bowl, or I'm using this one. A measuring cup of some sort. And you need you a nut bag. This is a nut bag right here. You get a nut bag or I think I forgot the other type of bag, but this is a nut bag right here. And then of course some water. You got you, but yeah. So that's everything you're gonna need right there to get it started. And all right. Yep, so that's everything you need right there. But the whole process, other than that, it's pretty simple. I mean, if you want to put together that, then that's it. Whole process, then that is simple. So I'm gonna drain the water out, or the water out of the almonds, just like that, and then just dump the almonds after you drain the water out. Drain all the water out. Dump it into a blender. Remember, that's 12 hours. I soaked up for about 12 hours, and then after that, get 4 cups of water. Now I have a measuring cup, or you can also use one of these, what I'm going to use. Just tell you what these are. So this is 1 cup. So after you do that, 1 cup. After you do that, just 4 cups of water into the blender. 4 cups. 4 cups of water, that's it. Or that's what I'm saying. Or you could get a measuring cup, fill up to 4 cups you want. Choice is yours. I use that. Thought, easier. And blend it up. Blend it up for like, I'd say a couple minutes. Put it on high. And after you blend it up, you get your nut bag. Or actually, you can also use a cheesecloth also. That's what it's called. Cheesecloth also. I mean, I prefer the nut bag, but cheesecloth is also another something else you can use. And just pour it into your nut bag like that. Pour it like that. And then get the string, pull it like this, and just drain all the milk out of there. Just drain it. Like that. Get all of it out there. Squeeze as hard as you can. And that's it. That's simple. Now this stuff right here, you could use it to make like almond cheese, and you could use it like in oats. So don't throw this stuff away. This is a really good, a lot of good health values to this. You know, things you could use it on. Yeah, I know you can make almond butter, almond cheese. Put it in oats. Put it on top of things. So you probably don't want to throw that away. A lot of things, but that's it. And after you do that, you it's up to you. You could put a little bit of sea salt in there. You could put some stevia in there. If you want to sweeten it a little bit, you could put some vanilla extract. So that's all up to you. But that's basically the process. And from here, you can put it in a blender and it's ready to go. Or you could use it. Put it in a container, store it. And it's ready to go after that process. So there you go. Simple as that. Yeah. Simple as that. MB Trucker, y'all take care. Remember, don't do drugs.